For years, Arab nations tried to create a balance of power against Israel, but every effort failed. Why? Because the United States never wanted a second nuclear power in the Middle East. Only Israel was allowed to dominate. The missile strike in Qatar was not an accident. It was a message, a warning to keep buying weapons and stay under American security guarantees. That the world has changed. NATO is weaker. The US economy is under pressure. China is rising with a new security umbrella. The attack on Qatar forced the Arab world to rethink deterrence, and nuclear power is the only answer. Here comes Pakistan, a silent yet powerful player with Chinese technology and proven missile strength. Pakistan has already reshaped South Asian power politics. Now it offers the same deterrence to the Middle East. Then came the surprise. Saudi Arabia welcomed Pakistan with historic reception and announced a new strategic agreement. This is not just Saudi Arabia. Other Gulf nations, Iraq and even Syria are moving into this alliance. Right after the Qatar attack, US officials rushed to talk about new defense pacts. Washington knew the balance of power was slipping away. This is not just an agreement. It is a new world order. China's markets, Pakistan's nuclear strength, and Saudi leadership. The game is no longer in American or Israeli hands. The bottom line, the chessboard of global power has shifted. The question now is, who will make the next move, and whose kingdom will fall?